Quant is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome to our first ever quant analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's see if we can get this video 5 likes. As you guys can see on quant, we have broken above a major resistance level of 154. We did see multiple wicks around the side rejecting these candlesticks, and we can see that we did have a possible fake out situation right here heading all the way down to 139 before we actually tested that support level and found a beautiful confirmation and broke above this massive level. Now, this is going to be very good on quant, right? You can see that we are trending above this resistance level, and we are testing this level multiple times using the exponential moving averages as a beautiful support line. If quant can get above this 187 level and find it as support, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have a massive move on quant. You can see that for looking at previous price analysis, we had this beautiful confirmation where we were testing this resistance level at 112. We got the confirmation right here with this breakout candlestick, and then since then we've just been continuing pushing up. Pretty much every time you see a pullback, it's followed by a massive move to the upside, and that's a very good indicator of whether or not quant is short-term bullish, right? You can see that pretty much we haven't had a major pullback opportunity just yet. We did see this pullback right over here, but pretty much every single red candle is followed by multiple green candles, putting quant in a very bullish case scenario. Now, over here on the 1 hour time frame, we do have a good picture. You can see that we are seeing multiple rejections though on quant, but we are pretty much being bought up extremely fast. You see multiple hammer candlesticks right over here where sellers were trying to take control, but bulls came back in, bought it right back up, and we are testing this resistance level multiple times. You guys know from my previous videos that the more times this resistance level is going to be tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking, and we are in that bullish case scenario right now on quant. The exponential moving averages are squeezing above this resistance level, pushing it further, and we will possibly be looking at a beautiful move breaking this resistance and then looking for that pullback opportunity. Now, of course, on the bearish case scenario, if we can't get above this 184 level, we will be looking for a possible move back down to that 154 and finding it as support. You can see on the lower time frames, we didn't quite get that pullback opportunity we were looking for. We did get this massive move. We had a small pullback, but we didn't get that retest of that 154 for that confirmation and then the larger move set. We still had a pullback. We found some support at 165 and then a continuation, right? You want to be careful entering a long position, ideally if we don't see that resistance level being broken, because of the fact that we still have a pretty decent move to go back downwards and test this major level of 154 and then finding it as support before we continue. I would like to see a 3-test confirmation, basically having this price wick analysis on the 3-test and then seeing that sort of formation to the upside and then finding a break. Ideally though, we can see that quant is pretty much overbought on the 1 hour time frames, but also extremely overbought on the 4 hour time frame. So we have to be very wary of that, right? You don't want to be entering a position ideally around this resistance level because the wick might be very small, followed by a larger pullback to the downside and a proper correction. Ideally, once you get that correction, then you can be looking for that move to the upside. But until then, you want to be entering a small scalp position, and worst case scenario, looking to close the trade if we break below that 20 exponential moving average. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.